Yeah, it was on the end of good movement tonight, and we had good pace in our game, and our transition was good, and our finishing was good, and Danny was at the end of good collective movements. And of course, it's good to see that slowly gains confidence, finishes well, and it's nice to see that the potential is there and that he's starting to get that, and hopefully this hat-trick will help him to gain confidence. You never know how difficult it is before the game, but I felt we had a good start. We were surprised by our pace in the game. After we lost control of the game at 4-1, because when we were down to 10 men, we needed a few good saves from our goalkeeper. And then you could see that Galatasaray has quality. As soon as we allowed them to play, they became a very dangerous team. Maybe at the start of the game and for an hour, the pace was a problem for them.